Sorrow, headed for the shack. This feeling that haunts her, haunted from her past. High times cross the line, racing for the fall. Not at all a junkie, just looking for a cure. Back against the wall, can't hear the call. Mine is somewhat clouded and numb. Just use some stuff to drown her soul. Pour another shot of whiskey. She got a fifth of comfort sitting on her lap. In the name of Jesus, tattooed on her back. High times, white line, get back to her roots. She got a long, started history of alcohol abuse. When the chains are strong, tight against the wall. Mine is clouded, burnt and numb. Must use some strength to brace this fall, or another shot of whiskey. Another shot of whiskey. Another shot. The wall, you can hear the call. Mine is shattered, cracked and torn. Drawn off thoughts to be reborn, or another shot of whiskey. Another shot of whiskey.